The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Good evening, esteemed Chief Guest, Lieutenant Colonel Murtuza Ali Asad, respected Principal Mr. Yash Saxena, Vice Principal Ms. Keori Gohil, Bursar Mr. Amritka Pratap C. Jadeja, parents, teachers, and my dear students. It's my honor to welcome you all to the annual day celebration of primary section. Today is a special day, one that we have all been eagerly waiting for. It is a day to celebrate the hard work, creativity, and talents of our young students. We continue to inspire us with their enthusiasm and determination. Our school has always strived to provide a nurturing and encouraging environment for every child, and it fills my heart with immense pride to see them bloom into confident and passionate learners. This annual function marks a significant milestone in our academic calendar. Before we begin, I would request our principal, Mr. Yash Saxena, to come on stage, extend a special welcome, and introduce our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Murtuza Ali Asad.
It is my proud privilege to introduce and welcome our chief guest of this evening, Lieutenant Colonel Murtaza Ali Asad. Colonel Ali is an alumnus of National Defence Academy and was commissioned as Lieutenant on 13th May 2000 in 17th Battalion of the Jat Regiment, Mashko Warriors. The officer, over a span of 25 years, has served at various places across the length and breadth of the country. He has been in thick of counter-insurgency operations and actively participated in various successful operations during his stint with Rashtriya Rifles and his own battalion at the Line of Control and LAC. He has served with United Nations mission in Sudan and South Sudan in the year 2010-11. The officer has held various command and staff appointments with his battalion, brigade, regimental center, corps and army headquarters. Presently, he is posted with 2 Gujarat Battalion NCC Rajkot since June 2024. The officer's lady wife is a faculty member of our school and both of them are also proud parents. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please join me in welcoming Colonel Murtaza Ali Asad. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I am pleased to announce the names of Form 2 students who have won certificates in various categories. The awardees are Ritika Doshi, Show and Tell, first position, English recitation, first position, Dance competition, third position, GK competition, first position, Spell Bee, first position, Mental Maths, second position. Turk Kutchi, Show and Tell, second position, Gujarati recitation, first position, music competition, first position, dance competition, first position, spell bee competition, second position. Riyan Janani, Show and Tell, third position, Gujarati recitation, second position, GK competition, first position, mental maths, first position. Prisita Singh, Show and Tell, second position, Hindi recitation, third position. R.V. Raveshia, Hindi recitation, third position, yoga competition, first position. Pratham Ganatra, spell bee, third position, mental maths, third position. Dev Udani, English recitation, second position, GK competition, first position. Bhargav Kumaria, English recitation, third position, GK competition, third position. Kiara Ajani, GK competition, second position. Yani Kesia, English recitation, first position. Ayat Belim, Hindi recitation, first position. Viswa Bala, Hindi recitation, first position. Pihu Kachot, yoga competition, second position. Isan, GK competition, second position. Chitra Bagdai, yoga competition, third position. David, GK competition, first position. Dhananjay Jelwan, Hindi recitation, second position. Dhairya Rojwani, show and tell, third position. Harry Bagasia, music competition, third position. Tirth Dadania, Gujarati recitation, third position. Param Babaria, English recitation, second position. Ali Haider Pankhania, English recitation, third position. Chahat Kodnani, Hindi recitation, third position. Suryavir Singh Pawala, GK competition, second position. Ruhi Vekaria, dance competition, second position. Ridhan Delawala, music competition, third position. Nivan Singala, GK competition, second position. Ajit Jimnani, GK competition, third position. Navya Gondalia, Hindi recitation, second position. Shril Goradia, music competition, second position. Hian Lunagaria, GK competition, third position. Ridan Kukad, GK competition, second position. Good evening everyone. I am delighted to announce the names of Form 3 students in various categories. Manvi Mehta, Show and Tell competition, second position. Gujarati recitation, first position. Dance competition, third position. GK competition, third position. Spell bee competition, first position. Preet Lakhani, Show and Tell, third position. English recitation, first position. GK competition, third position. Spell bee competition, third position. Vishwa Solanki, Hindi recitation, first position. Music competition, first position. Dance competition, first position. GK competition, third position. Hayan Rawal, Hindi recitation, first position. GK competition, first position. Mental maths, second position. Shaurya Parekh, Spell bee, third position. Hindi recitation, third position. GK competition, second position. Pura Sidpura, English recitation, third position. Mental maths, first position. Trisha Parsana, Show and Tell, third position. Hindi recitation, third position. Prutha Singh, Hindi recitation, third position. Dance competition, third position. Vidan Singh Dodia, Show and Tell, second position. Hindi recitation, second position. Nian Kobaru, Show and Tell, first position. Hindi recitation, first position. Divid Karya, music competition, third position. GK competition, third position. Krishna Vivar Gohil, yoga competition, third position. Music competition, third position. Valerie Mehta, English recitation, third position. Music competition, second position. Henis Kamaria, GK competition, second position. Spell bee, second position. Navya Vekaria, mental math, second position.
Abigail Varghese, Hindi recitation, 3rd position. Zara Shadiko, pelvic competition, 2nd position. Joshna Bugalia, GK competition, 2nd position. Nilvita Acharya, English recitation, 3rd position. Kavya Solanki, English recitation, 3rd position. Hiyan Shah, English recitation, 2nd position. Vivan Rudagra, GK competition, 1st position. Riva Rajveer, GK competition, 1st position. Mahir Raningra, Hindi recitation, 3rd position. Niharika Baraijada, yoga competition, 1st position. Abhairaj Singh Mane, Gujarati recitation, 2nd position. Madhav Gagaria, music competition, 2nd position. Heyans Kosalia, mental maths, 3rd position. Nihal Jalu, GK competition, 2nd position. Diya Sanghi, GK competition, 1st position. Mania Tolia, Gujarati recitation, 3rd position. Jinali Mehta, Gujarati recitation, 1st position. Congratulations to all the participants. Thank you.
We are honored to pay tribute to the rich history and heritage of our institution, the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Founded in 1868, our school stands as a beacon of tradition, excellence and values, nurturing generations of leaders, scholars and visionaries. From its origins as a school for the Princess of Saurashtra to its transformation into a center of holistic education for all. The Rajkumar College has been a proud witness to history and a contributor to shaping it. This year's theme, Through the Gates of RKC, invites us to celebrate this incredible journey, a story of legacy, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge. Let us reflect on our glorious past and carry forward the torch of excellence that defines this institution. The evening promises to be an exciting and entertaining one, with a wide range of performances that showcase the talents of our students. Audience, sit back and let the celebration begin.
Good evening, everyone. You must be wondering what we are doing here outside the school gate, right?
Well, we are waiting for our friend. He wants to take an admission in our school, and today we are going to give him a school tour.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Hi. I heard so much about your school and I'm really excited to see it. Before we start the tour, let me introduce you to our school. We, the proud RKCians, are standing at the gate of the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Our school was established in 1868 by the princes and chiefs of Kathiawar. It's over 155 years old. Imagine that. Oh, we are so excited to show you around. Today, we will not only take you on a tour, but also let you enjoy the drill performances of Form 2 and 3 students at the annual function. We're definitely going to a lot of fun today. Let me take you to the Spindon office. It's the hub of the administrative department. Our principal, Mr. S. Saxena, and the bursar, Mr. Ambika Pratap C. Jadeja, have their offices here. Our school has won many awards in the past, and under the guidance of our principal, we have recently added many more to our collection. The Rajkumar College, Rajkot, currently ranks 3rd in the education world India, ranking as a vintage legacy decom boarding school. Hey, look! The first performance is about to start. Let's sit down and watch. Come on, let's go!
कहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल गम मुसाफिर था जाने दे धूप आंगन में आने दे जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल की रुक जाने दे सिसकी थम जाने दे इस पल की ये गुजारिश है मरना क्यों जी लेना बूंदों को पी लेना तेरे ही सपनों की बारिश है पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे रहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल।
Wow, what a fantastic performance! This is Atlee Block. The foundation stone was laid by Maharaj Shri Dulip Siji of Navanagar, and the building was opened by Lord Atlee in 1956. Originally it was built as the science laboratories, but now it's the academic block of our primary section.
On the other side is the building I love the most because I spend a lot of time there. It's the school hospital. Foundation stone of the hospital was laid in 1951. Whenever I feel sleepy, I just pretend to have a stomachache and get sent there to rest. But please, don't tell anyone.
Look over there. The next performance is starting.
अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो बोल दो। ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो खोल दो। लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमी का परचम लहरा दो। लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो, गर्दिश में कुछ होता है। हाथ करके बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है। चाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है। चाल लकीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है। हिम्मत मर्दा अगर हौसल खुदा भी होता है। जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद बदम क्या होता है।
Parent, please note, there's a vehicle, Kia 5234. You need to remove that car immediately. I repeat, there's a car, Kia 5234. You need to remove that immediately. Thank you.
Such graceful performance. I can't help but notice some curiosity in the air. By the way, where does this tunnel lead to?
That's the Digvijay CG wing. It was built in 1970 by Gulab Korba of Navanagar, and it was inaugurated by Satya Sai Baba of Bangalore in 1970. On the left is Vice Principal Miss Keuri Gohil's office, and on the both sides we have the senior school classrooms. Overhead is the school library.
This is the south wing, built by His Highness Takht C.J. Thakur Sahib of Bhavnagar in 1878. Do you know? Takht C.J. was RKC's first student. Let's move to the left now. Some students are about to start a dance performance. Let's watch it first, then continue the tour.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। चलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
That was a lovely performance. This large building is Drangadra Hall. It was donated by Ghanshyam Singh Ji Raj Sahib of Drangadra in 1911. Around 2000 plus staff and students have their meals here.
It opens into the south ground, which has produced many famous cricketers like Ranjit Singh Ji and Dulip Singh Ji of Nanagar and Yajwendra Singh Ji of Bilkha. Ranjit Trophy is named after Ranjit Singh Ji and Dulip Trophy is named after Dulip Singh Ji.
RKC has produced 42 Ranji Trophy players and 8 Test cricketers till now. Any Indian cricketer who wants to play at an international level must first play in Ranji Trophy and Dulip Trophy. Over there is the Dulip CG Pavilion, the squash court and the Bilkha score cabin. Come, sit here. I want to see the Dandiya performance.
शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकित यामिनी कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी शीतला सुहासिनी मधुर भाषिनी जय जय वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलाम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरम् शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी कुसुमिता शोभिनीं सुहासिनीं मधुरभाषिणीं वरदां मातरं जय जय मातरं जय जय मातरं जय जय मातरं जय जय मातरं जय वन्दे मातरं जय जय मातरं जय वन्दे मातरं
Truly a standout performance. Let me share something more. To the left is the Weddington Gymnasium. This was presented by our old boys in honor of our second principal, Max C.W. Weddington, in 1903. Next to it is the state-of-the-art Balwant C.G. Gangar shooting range, which also includes an indoor gym with the latest machines.
What's that building over there?
That's the Ranjit Singh Ji swimming bath. It was opened in 1907. The pool water is centrally heated recently, so we can use it during the winters too.
Wow, I love swimming. Hurry, look, the students are holding pom-poms. I can't miss this pom-pom dance.
आशाएं 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 कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं हिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Wow, what a beautiful performance! You have made it really special with pom-poms. I am glad you enjoyed it. Straight ahead is the pre-alok class. The concept of a play school was introduced by Miss Rati F. Cooper, our former principal, in 2001.
Look here.
What is it?
They're going to perform with jazz. I can't miss it. Let me join them too.
तिनका था हमने सवारा, अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा, लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन, आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन कहे विजयी भव, विजयी भव, गगन कहे विजयी भव। की सुरन भटकी है रोशनी, है छटपटा रही रोशनी, गगन कहे विजयी भव। घायल है तेरा जल, तू नदी है राह बदल, पानी बुलबुला रहा है कल कल कल, तू निकल, तू निकल।
You use the chair so well, so impressive. Let me tell you more about our school. This is the magnificent Bhau Singh Ji Hall. It was rebuilt and enlarged by in hands of His Highness Bhau Singh Ji of Bhavnagar in 1898. The hall is adorned with beautiful portraits of the chiefs of Kathiawar, political legends and royals of British, and also our principal.
Come, let's see this dance performance.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दो कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी मेरे वतन जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
What a wonderful performance! Next to it is the Rati F. Cooper Kala Bhavan, built in the memory of our former principal. She dedicated more than 50 years to RKC, serving as a teacher, house mistress and a principal for 9 years. I can't dance with an umbrella, but the students of RKC can do that.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, अस्सी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
outstanding coordination and teamwork. Look, that's the North Ground.
Shall we go there?
It's a turf ground where we play football and hockey and even has a track for athletics. It was inaugurated by our former Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani in 2018. On the far sides we have stables. Yes, we have horse riding too. Isn't that exciting?
Look, the students are holding ribbons. It's going to be a ribbon dance. Let's watch it.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
सच होने की खातिर जो सपने कीमत मांगेंगे, जाग के रातें कीमत भर देना। जब नजदीक से देखे तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना।
खूबी एक ही एक दिन मिटाएगी तेरी हजार खामियां। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
Come, let's move on. That was a wonderful performance.
Wow, what's this huge building?
This is the girls' school. It was inaugurated by Dr. Srimati Kamla Beniwal, the Honorable Governor of Gujarat in 2011. Opposite is the girls' hostel. This is the final performance for the day. My friends are going to perform with hula hoops. It's going to be interesting.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले। और मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती। मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती, मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती। मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती, मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती। मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती, मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती। मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती, मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती। मोहे रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती। मोहे रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती। खुशियां रंग दे, गम भी रंग दे, नस्लें रंग दे, फसलें रंग दे, रंग दे धड़कन रंग दे, सरगम रंग दे, सूरत रंग दे, दर्पण। मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती। थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की। थोड़ी सी खुशबू मस्त पवन की, थोड़ी सी धोकने वाली धक 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 सांसें, जिनमें हो चुनू चुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले। और मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती।
Mind-blowing coordination. Let's go through this gate and ta-da! Where are we?
We have reached the majestic quadrangle, the heart of the college. We have our morning assembly here, as well as the senior school prize giving and another grand performances.
To the right is the senior lodge. There's also the bust of Mr. Peter Rogerson, who served RKC for 45 years, 28 of which were as principal. In the center is the statue of Mr. Corridon Main, our third principal, who wrote the school song. And we come to an end of our tour. Shall we have the candidate for some refreshments?
Yes, of course.
This has been a memorable tour, and the performances were breathtaking. Tomorrow I'll come with my parents, and I really hope I'll get admission here. I would love to study here. There's so much to do. It's really exciting. Thank you for showing me around. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.
सपने तेरे ऊंचाई पर हैं, सपने तेरे आसमान की राह पर हैं। रुकावटों से मत घबराना, हर मुश्किल को तू हराना। खुद पर यकीन कर, खुद पर यकीन कर। सपनों की ऊंचाई को छू ले, जो चाहोगे वो मिलेगा। सपने तेरे आगे बढ़ते, सपने तेरे संग चलते। धरती की तेरी राहों में, आकाश में उड़ते। खुद पर यकीन कर, खुद पर यकीन कर, खुद पर यकीन
What an incredible performance we have witnessed today. The energy and enthusiasm each one of you brought on the stage was simply outstanding. Now, it's my honor to invite our esteemed chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Murtuza Asad, to address the gathering and share his inspiring thoughts. What an incredible performance we have witnessed today. The energy and enthusiasm each one of you brought on the stage was simply outstanding. Now, it's my honor to invite our esteemed chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Murtuza Asad, to address the gathering and share his inspiring thoughts.
Wow, what an amazing performance. I'm actually out of words. Good evening, ladies. Mr. Yes Saxena, principal of this elite institute, esteemed guests, parents, teachers, staff members, and dear students. It is really a matter of indeed great pride and honor for me to stand here and address this august gathering, and of course the students full with energy. On behalf of all the parents, those who are present here, I convey my sincere thanks to the management, to the principal, to the teachers, to the staff members, and more so to the students, those who have actually given an outstanding and mesmerizing performance over here. I'm really out of words for them. As far as the program event per se is concerned, what to talk about? Whether you take the stage decoration, the costume of the students, the props which they have used, the concept, the tour through which we have gone to the entire school, the coordination, and finally the program by the students. It was totally actually out of word, and it was near to the perfection. Now the flawless and the seamless performance which was given by the students, it clearly reflects the hard work and the dedication which has been put in by the teachers, students, and the staff members. I must take this opportunity to, in fact, thanks all the staff members, those who are working at the backstage. वो कहते हैं ना कि पर्दे के पीछे के किरदार बहुत ही important होते हैं. So is the case with them. They are really very important. Coming on to the teachers, I actually salute them from my heart and really appreciate their effort. They are really the true mentors, because they are the one who are actually handling our children, kids over here day in and out, and channelizing their energy into the right direction and shaping up their future. Because these kids, they are actually the Josh boxes and full of energy, and it is very much required to guide them in the right direction. I will not take much time. I know the program has been very long, but still in the end I wish and convey my best wishes to the students for their future, and wish them a lot of successes in their future endeavors. I wish and pray that this school keep its flag flying high, and what to say, actually I am out of words, really. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your valuable words have inspired all of us, especially our young students, to dream big and work hard. May I now invite our principal to come forward and present a memento to the chief guest. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Before I propose a vote of thanks on behalf of the primary school, I would like to call upon my comparers, my little comparers, Ritika, Dhairya, Prishita, and Rihanna of Form 2, and Zara, Vishwa, Paridita, and Yash of Form 3. Our talented students have truly captivated us with their energy and grace. It takes a lot of confidence to come in front of such a big audience and perform live. A big round of applause for their outstanding effort, who have made this annual day a memorable one. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Murtuza Ali Asad, for gracing us with his presence. We truly appreciate the time you took to join us and encourage our budding talents. Your words will undoubtedly inspire them to continue to strive for excellence. A sincere thank you to our respected principal, vice principal, and bursar for your constant guidance, support, and encouragement in making this event a grand success. Your leadership and perception continue to shape our school into a place of learning, creativity, and growth. I'd also like to extend my deepest appreciation to our dedicated teachers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to help our students prepare for this event. Your hard work, patience, and dedication are the foundation of this success. A special thanks to Sports Director Mr. Sheetal Savita and Estate Manager Mr. Titrasi Jadeja. A big thank you to the parents for their continuous support. Your presence today shows the strong bond between us, and together we create an environment where our children can thrive. Your involvement and encouragement are truly invaluable. A special word of thanks to the Overseer Department for the lighting and stage arrangements, helping staff for working diligently behind the scenes, and mess manager for the refreshments. We truly appreciate your contributions. Thank you. Lastly, I would like to thank our wonderful students whose talent, energy, and enthusiasm made this event truly special. You have made us all proud, and we look forward to watching you grow and achieve even more in the future. Thank you once again to everyone who made this day memorable. Your presence and support have made this annual function truly unforgettable. Wishing you all a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. I request you all to please rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन